Hi, welcome back to English Time with Mr. Ibnu. So today you are going to study about an application letter. The first one is the basic competence. As you can see, this one is the basic competence or kompetensi dasar. And then the next page is the indicator, or we call it in Bahasa Indonesia as indikator pencapaian kompetensi. And the next one is the tujuan pembelajaran, or we call it as learning objectives. Okay, now let's come to the material. The first step you have to do in the material is to observe the pictures. You can see both of the pictures below. What you can see there? Yeah, you are right. You see the people are searching for the job vacancy. And the next page is the reading text about the application letter. You can read it by yourself that it is a letter sent by Martin Maxwell to the personal manager of United Travel Service. You can read it by yourself and try to comprehend the letter. Okay, let's discuss about the definitions of job application letter. A letter of application, also known as cover letter, is a document sent with your resume to provide additional information about your skills and experience to an employer. Oke, maksudnya adalah surat ini adalah surat yang ditulis untuk menyediakan informasi tentang kemampuan dan pengalaman kita kepada perusahaan yang kita tuju, sehingga nantinya perusahaan yang kita tuju akan menerima surat kita sebagai bahan pertimbangan untuk menerima kita sebagai pegawai di perusahaan tersebut. So, the next one is about the social functions of job application letter. Of course, the functions of job application letter is to apply a job or to attract the attention of an employer. Ya, tentu saja bahwa fungsi dari surat lamaran pekerjaan adalah pastinya untuk melamar sebuah pekerjaan. And the next part is about the part of application letter. In the part of application letter, there are the first one, sender address, or we call it as alamat pengirim. And the second one is date atau tanggal. And the next one is company address atau alamat perusahaan. And the next one is salutations or salam pembuka. And we have also opening paragraph or paragraf pembuka. We also have body atau isi surat. And the next one we have closing paragraph or paragraf penutup. And we have closing or salam penutup, and the last one is signature or tanda tangan atau nama penulis suratnya. This is the example of job application letter, and on the right side you can see the part of the letter. You can read it and study it by yourself and try to analyze the next letter that will be given by your teacher to you, and your task is to analyze the letter. In writing the formal letter, there are some things that you need to consider. The first one is about salutation or greeting or salam pembuka. You can use dear, for example, dear Mr. Brown, dear Miss White, dear sir, dear madam, and so on. And the next one is about starting or body of the letter. We can say like this to start our body of the letter. The first one is we are writing to inform you that, and then to confirm, to request, to acquire about, and so on. And also we have to consider about referring to previous contact. For example, thank you for your letter of March 15. Thank you for contacting us, and so on. And the next one is about the closing remark. In closing remark, we can say like this to close it. If we can be of any further assistance, please let us know. Or for further details, and so on. And thank you for taking this into consideration. And in ending, we can write it like sincerely, yours sincerely, sincerely yours, and regards. Last but not least, we are going to talk about the language features or fitur kebahasaan atau ciri kebahasaan. As you can see there are 4 main language features. The first one is sentence structure. Accuracy of the grammar may be more important than an email. Most of the time, complete sentences are expected. And the second one is about the style. Language use may be personal. For example, first and second person pronoun may be frequently used. And the third one, allowed to use constructions. For example, his, sis, haven't, and there. And the last one, although the tone of your letter is personal, please take note that first, do not use offensive language. And second, use grammatically correct sentence. And I think that's all for today. But before we close our meeting, I would like to give you an assignment or latihan soal. Read the letter carefully, then analyze the social function, generic structures, and language features of the letter correctly. Okay, you can see the letter in the blue box, in the light blue box from Mr. Akmal Hakim. Try to analyze the trio of generic structure, language features, and also the social function of it. And I think that's all for today. See you again in the next video. Have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.